breaking news coming in. Now, in the heart of Mumbai, where the monsoon once again tests the city's resilience, a heartbreaking story reminds us of the human cost of neglect. 55-year-old Aslam Ishaq Sheikh, a resident of Sakinaka, stepped out on an ordinary day, walking along the Khair Rani road, possibly talking on his phone, when he fell into an open stormwater manhole left uncovered during drainage repair work. He was then swept away by the rushing waters and he tragically lost his life in this incident. What should have been a routine journey home became his final moments. With the rains returning, so too has the familiar pattern of civic failures: open manholes, unstable trees, flooded roads and live wires. The Brihan-Mumbai Municipal Corporation has suspended 4 officials and initiated action against the contractor involved in the maintenance work. Police have registered a case and are investigating the matter. Mayor Ritu Tavre, who visited the spot, has announced an escrow of ₹10 lakh for the family of the deceased. The BMC in a release also said that the contractor has been blacklisted now. As part of NewsX's Every Life Matters campaign, we are tracking these civic safety lapses. With the monsoon season underway, authorities must ensure proper barricading, signage and safety measures at all repair sites to prevent such avoidable deaths. The focus now remains on accountability and implementation of stricter protocols for civic works during the rainy season. We are opening our call-in lines for you to join in and demand accountability on these deaths. Let me go across to my colleagues who will be joining us shortly from Mumbai, Shahid Ansari and Shweta Marma, who will in fact get us the latest ground reports of what exactly is unfolding in Mumbai. What are the civic failures that are coming to the fore? The infrastructure shortages that are being reported across these urban centers. Let's first go across to Shweta. Shweta, obviously NewsX has started this campaign of Every Life Matters. We just saw the death of this man, 55-year-old Aslam Sheikh, who unfortunately lost his life on a very routine day because the stormwater manhole drain was left open and uncovered. These are tragic deaths that are being reported out of the maximum city when the monsoons in fact come, and for no fault of the residents.
Well, that's absolutely right, Shivani. In fact, that is right. Every life matters, and here NewsX has been focusing how the civic apathy is emerging in the monsoon. In fact, who is to be held responsible and accountable for people losing their life. In 5 days, we have seen people losing their life, and the latest one was, of course, from Sakinaka, where a 55-year-old man lost his life amid while he was going to work and because of the open manhole. But Shivani, where I am currently present, I'll show you the visuals. In fact, this is one of the posh locality of Mumbai in western suburbs. This is Oshiwara, and this is again one of the famous society. But just look at the visuals, what happens during the monsoon, and as monsoon lashes out the city of Mumbai, we are showing you the visuals from this particular place. My video journalist is showing you how the vehicles are in fact submerged in water, and as I am reporting, this is knee-length water, and this is the these are the visuals after just few hours of rainfall what Mumbai has witnessed. Having said that, we have been also seeing that now for next 2 to 3 days. In fact, IMD has predicted that more than 100 mm of rainfall is what the maximum city would be receiving. But through the visuals, Shivani, one can clearly understand what havoc has monsoon wreaked in the maximum city where we are reporting. This is Oshiwara location, and in and around me you can clearly see how it is difficult for the daily commute and how the life has been thrown out of gear with only few hours of rainfall in Mumbai.
Absolutely, Shweta, continue to stay on with us as we track those ground developments. Let me go across to my colleague Shahid Ansari, who continues to also join us from another location and who will give us a ground update on what is happening in Mumbai. Shahid, obviously ये जो campaign हमने शुरू किया है, यहाँ पर हम बात कर रहे हैं civic apathy की. इसके वजह से रेसिडेंट्स और लोग अपनी जान तक गंवा चुके हैं. तो सिविक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन अब कितना काम कर रही है? मॉनसून आ चुका है, इससे पहले भी उन्होंने तैयारी करनी थी इस सीज़न के लिए.
जी बिल्कुल, आपने जो बात कही है, कहीं ना कहीं जो 6 लोगों की मौत हुई है बीते अगर 72 घंटों की अगर बात करें, इन 72 घंटों में जिन लोगों की मौत हुई है, किसी की करंट लगकर मौत हुई है, किसी की जो है गटर के ढक्कन खुला होने की वजह से गिरने की वजह से मौत हुई है, किसी के पेड़ गिरने की वजह से मौत हुई है, और इन सारी चीज़ों का ताल्लुक जो है, सारी चीज़ों का संबंध जो है बीएमसी से है. उस बीएमसी से है जिसके सर पर जो है ये जिम्मेदारी होती है कि शहर में कभी भी इस तरह की कोई स्थिति ना बने जिसकी वजह से वो जानलेवा साबित हो. इस वक्त मैं मुंबई के नरीमन पॉइंट इलाके में मरीन ड्राइव पर मैं मौजूद हूँ, और आपको मैं बता दूं कि मौसम विभाग ने जो अलर्ट जारी किया है, जिसको लेकर समुद्र में जो है हाई टाइड को लेकर 5 फीट से ऊंची लहरें उठने की आशंका बताई गई है, जिसको लेकर मौसम विभाग ने लोगों से इस बात की अपील की है कि वो गैर ज़रूरी तरीके से समुद्र के किनारे ना जाएं. और उसके साथ साथ जो है जिन इलाकों में पानी भरा है उन इलाकों में भी जो है बीएमसी अपने साफ़ सफाई और दूसरी चीज़ों में लगी हुई है, ताकि जो है जो पानी जमा होता है वो पानी ना जमा हो और जिसकी वजह से जो है लोगों को दिक्कतें पेश ना आए. मुंबई की बात करें, मुंबई के साइन किंग सर्कल, माटुंगा या जो निचले इलाके हैं, इन इलाकों में जो है पानी अक्सर के जमा हो जाता है, जिसको लेकर अब बीएमसी जो है 24 घंटे यहाँ अलर्ट है. लेकिन उससे पहले कि ये जो साकीनाका में हुई हादसे के बाद जो है जिस तरह से एक मौत हुई है 55 वर्षीय असलम शेख की, तो उसके बाद से ही बीएमसी जो है कुछ ज़्यादा मतलब कि अब जो है अलर्ट मोड पर दिखाई दे रही है. लेकिन अहम सवाल यही है कि क्या अलर्ट होने के लिए किसी की मौत होना या शहर में किसी की जान जाना ज़रूरी है? अगर शायद ये चीज़ें पहले से बीएमसी कर सकती तो हो सकता है कि शायद जो है किसी की जान बच जाती और कोई जो है मौत के मुंह में नहीं जाता. जहां मैं खड़ा हूं इस वक्त समुद्र के पास आप देख सकते हैं, अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि 4 फीट से भी ज़्यादा ऊंची लहरें, और इस वक्त समुद्र में जो समुद्र की लहरें हैं वो ठाठे मारता समुंदर जो कहते हैं वो अभी वो हाल है. हालांकि पुलिस यहाँ पे मौजूद है क्योंकि लोगों को जो है बाहर करीब ना जाने दिया जाए, लेकिन लोग जो है मज़े और शौक़ के लिए जो है लुत्फ़ उठाने के लिए, इस ऊंची लहरों का लुत्फ़ उठाने के लिए समुद्र के किनारे आ रहे हैं. और अभी भी जो है समुद्र में ऊंची लहरें उठ रही हैं, और इसके साथ साथ जो है जो पुलिस की टीम है वो यहाँ मौजूद है क्योंकि किसी भी तरह से कोई हादसा पेश ना आए. हालांकि इससे पहले भी जो है मौसम विभाग या प्रशासन ने इस बात को लेकर अलर्ट जारी किया है कि समुद्र तटवर्ती क्षेत्र जिनमें से मुंबई, नवी मुंबई और रायगढ़, अलीबाग, रत्नागिरी, गुहागर, श्रीवर्धन, इन सभी इलाकों में जो है जो तटवर्ती क्षेत्र हैं, इन सभी इलाकों में लोगों को समुद्र के किनारे जाने से मना किया गया है, ताकि जो है ऊंची लहरें के शिकार कोई ना हो, ताकि जैसे मौत जैसी स्थिति ना पैदा हो. कई बार ऐसा भी हुआ है कि जब ये ऊंची लहरें हुई और लोग जो है लुत्फ़ उठाने के लिए समुद्र के किनारे आते हैं तो वो कभी भी हादसे का शिकार हो जाते हैं.
Both Shahid and Shweta to continue to stay on with us, speak to a lot of people over there. In the meanwhile, we have a caller joining us on the broadcast, Mrs. Pawan Wahi. She's a resident of Jammu. However, she continues to look at this campaign that is launched by NewsX, where every life matters. Mrs. Wahi, thank you for calling in. I want to understand what are the concerns that you want to raise on this platform.
मेरा कंसर्न ये है कि आप न्यूज दिखाते हैं एंड इट्स ओवर, न्यूज के बाद ओवर हो जाता है. व्हाई डोंट दिस बॉम्बे टुगेदर टू दिस पीपल इन अमेरिका, दिस पीपल आर टू सर्वेंट. अब इंडिया में कुछ करते ही नहीं. बच्चा 11 साल का बच्चा मर गया, वो उसमें गिर गया, वो बिजली की तारें गिरी. व्हाट इज नॉनसेंस हैपनिंग इन बॉम्बे? आप इनको सू करिए, बॉम्बे वाले को इकट्ठा करिए, इनको सू करिए, इनसे पैसे लीजिए, इनका 1,00,000 करोड़ इनका केस कीजिए, ये ठीक हो जाएंगे बीएमसी वाले आपके. Thank you. This is what I want to tell you. I'm calling from Jammu, and a child losing a life with a tree, felling of a tree is very, very annoying.
Absolutely. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Mrs. Wahi, for putting in your perspective and concern. So we have a resident here. She is asking why people are not suing the authorities. We have lost so many lives because of civic apathy, and unfortunately nothing is done on the ground. Like my colleagues were also pointing out, the monsoon season has begun a bit late as well, but the authorities have missed the mark. They have failed to in fact put proper procedures in place to make sure that this season goes off better. Let me go across to Shweta, who continues to be with us. Shweta, talk to people around you. You've mentioned that you are present in this particular society, and constantly they witness such scenes year after year. So there is no learning that is taking place. There is no action that is taking place on the ground.
Well, that's absolutely right. In fact, no lesson learned. And as I speak to people, my video journalist will be focusing on the visuals from this posh locality. And here we understand that how people are facing difficulties. We'll just quickly have a word with one of the residents here and try and understand. Sir, ये क्या हमेशा ये हालत आपके सोसाइटी में ऐसे ही होता है?
I mean, लास्ट ईयर भी ऐसे ही था, अभी भी वैसे ही है, सामने है
क्या
नज़ारे।
बीएमसी यहाँ पर आती है?
I mean, पता नहीं, उसका तो पता नहीं बीएमसी आती कि नहीं आती, बट अभी तो हालात वैसे हैं जैसे
और हर साल ऐसा होता है?
ऐसे ही रहता है। गाड़ियाँ
Well, absolutely. यहाँ पे गाड़ियाँ डूब जा रही है. Absolutely, what this gentleman is pointing out is something very important to understand. In fact, Vishnu, if we can just show the visuals how the vehicles are in fact submerged in water and how people are facing difficulties. And as we see, this is not a story of particular one society, Shivani. We can name several societies within few hours of rainfall. This is the visual we show you from key parts of Mumbai. In fact, as we speak, we are just focusing on the submerged roads. And yes, who has to be held accountable is something very important to understand. With the richest civic body in Asia being BMC, they always pass the buck. And when it comes to important factors this time, Shivani, it is appalling to see. In fact, very, very shocking for us also to report disturbing visuals that we have seen, how a tree collapses on a school bus and an innocent life is lost. And another senior citizen who is walking to his work and he doesn't understand because of the water or the barricades, the basic things. The barricades weren't put that the manhole is open, there's an open pit here. And how sheer negligence can take somebody's life. So clearly now BMC held accountable, but they have no answers with them. And how, important lives are being lost is something very appalling that we report. And from a city like Mumbai and with the richest civic body like BMC, their annual budget is more than 75,000 crores. So
Right.
completely we understand that how Mumbaikars are being fed up and how the life is in fact thrown out of gear whenever, every year the monsoon comes and
Absolutely,
this is the condition
Shweta.
what we report.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Shweta and Shahid, for bringing us those ground updates from Mumbai. Now we have some breaking news coming in. Now, in a major statement, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has declared India has overcome the West Asia crisis. While addressing a public gathering, he